And where we last left off, we were building this bill of materials or adding items to a project. At any point, you can stop and run reports. Just click the Reports tab here within the project editor, and we have a Client Reports button, Installation Reports, Management Reports. There's also an Other button that I'll get to in a second. But let's take a look at Management Reports, for instance. If you click this, you could run something like a detailed cost summary. And you could do it by location, by manufacturer, by phase if you'd like. In this case, let's run it by category. We'll run and close this, and this will generate some detailed profitability for you. Grouped by category, it'll show your cost, your price, and your profit margin. It will also do the same for the labor. So that's a nice report that you can run at any given time while you're building a project. Close that. Another report that you could run is the project summary. That actually lists under our client list here, or you can click this little shortcut button here to see a project summary. And this will give you detail on the labor hours that are assigned to this, the equipment, as well as some profitability down here at the bottom. Go ahead and close that. I'm going to go ahead and run a proposal for you. And now again, we don't have a whole lot in this project, but we'll click the client list here, go to Proposal with Images, and again, I'm going to choose to run this one by location. You can group this however you would like. And this will generate a standard proposal in SI. Here you'll see that the proposal begins with a cover page. You can scroll down a little bit. And here are the products grouped by location. This is what's in the media room. This is what's in the living room so far. And at the end, you'll see a summary of the equipment, labor, sales tax, and the grand total. Go ahead and close that. And there are quite a few other reports in this list, as you can see, that you could certainly run, like the company profile that we loaded earlier in these tutorials. And again, this could be part of a proposal package. If you take a look here, this again tells about your company. There could be a specific scope of work for this project. So if we go here, there's a scope of work document. Double click that to run this. You can see that this will generate a scope of work for this project. You can also create report groups, and they'll list here under the Other button. If I click this, you can see that I have a report group that says Residential Proposal Package, and I've set this up to have a cover page, the company profile, the scope of work, and then the proposal install price by location. So I've told it how to group, and you can run this, and this will combine all of these documents into one document, and you can PDF that or print that or do whatever you want, but it basically combines all of these into one coherent document. There's the scope of work, and then it'll go right into the proposal. And if you would like to print this here in the report viewer, you have a lot of controls along the top here. There's your ability to print this, or you could of course export this to PDF and then email that to your client if you would like. And that's how you run reports inside of SI.